Hi, so what can I do for you today?
I would like to talk to you about Botox. First and foremost, I am getting a little bit older now and seeing things on my face that I don't really like, and also just anything else you can really recommend just to look a bit more fresh and bright and relaxed.
So I think this is the right time to start.
Okay.
We will do probably a few procedures
Okay.
like Botox to start with, just to smooth the lines,
Yeah.
and probably baby Botox usually,
Mhm.
which is what I like to do when I start with the patient. So not an aggressive Botox, but just injecting a few points to smooth the lines. So I don't really like to freeze my patients, but I like
Exactly,
just
yeah.
to give a nice smooth and refresh
Okay.
and refresh the face. And eventually on the lower face maybe a little bit of fillers.
Yeah, just around here.
Yes, just a few fillers to help with the nasolabial lines, and or at the same time to attract water to the area, because as you probably know, fillers attract water and hydrate the area. Hyaluronic acid is a very safe and natural product, and it will just help you to refresh your face and keep you natural.
How long does the effects last for?
Usually Botox lasts around 3 to 4 months, and then it needs to be repeated. So usually you repeat it 3 times a year.
Okay.
And fillers last between 6 to 9 months.
Are there any risks associated with doing this? I mean, can anything go wrong?
There's always risk actually with Botox and fillers, and it all depends on how prepared is the injector.
Okay.
Okay, with fillers we can occlude veins, we can cause necrosis, and there's a lot of facial arteries in the face, so we need to actually know where all the arteries are in order to avoid necrosis and bruising.
Okay.
So as long as the doctor is prepared and trained, he should be able to avoid all these arteries.
Okay.
So I would say the most important thing is to go to somebody who started and had a right preparation, and not to a beauty center or one-day course doctor.
Exactly.
So as you can see, you had a very good result with no bruising,
Wow.
considering all the injections that we have.
That's amazing.
It's already giving you a nice lift
Yes.
in the corners here,
And this will develop over the next...
and within the next 2 weeks it will improve,
Okay.
and it will get better and better.
Wow, fantastic. Thank you so much. Well, I've just finished having my treatments with Dr. Bruno Amendola, and I feel pretty good.